Hello everyone, welcome to Amin Maths Club. So today we have a equation that an exponential form we have to find the value of x. So first of all we are going to write that 5 raised to the power x plus 2 which is equal to 40. So now we can write it like, as we know that by exponential law, that if we have a power m plus n, we can also write a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So here we can write this side like as 5 raised to the power x times 5 raised to the power 2 which is equal to 40. So now we are just going to divide 5 square at both sides. So we are just write it like as that 5 square is actually it is equal to 25. So we are going to divide 25 at both sides. It is 40 divided by 25. So now 25 is cancelling with 25. Then we get 5 raised to the power x which is equal to that we can also write 40 like 5 times 8 over that 5 times 5. So now that 5 cancel with 5, then we get 5 raised to the power x is equal to 8 over 5. So here we are just taking log at both sides. So taking log at both sides, taking log at both sides. So we get log 5 raised to the power x is equal to log 8 over 5. So now we are going to use the logarithm law that if we have log a raised to the power b, then we can write it b log a. So here x log 5 is equal to, here we can also use logarithm law, that is if log a over log b which is equal to log a minus log b, so it will be log 8 minus log 5. So now we can just dividing both sides by log 5. So x log 5 divided by log 5 is equal to log 8 minus log 5 whole divided by log 5. So now cancelling log 5, then we get x which is equal to log 8 divided by log 5 minus log 5 divided by log 5. So here we can see that x is equal to log 5 over log 5. So we are going to cancel log 5 with log 5, then we get 1. So log 8 is also written as that 2 raised to the power 3 to cube. So divide by log 5. Here it is minus 1. So minus 1. Now we are just using this law that x is equal to 3 log 2 over log 5 over log 5. So here minus 1. So here we can see that, as we know that by the law, that if we have log a over log b, log a over log b, then we can write it like log to b, let's here a with base b. So we can write it like this: x is equal to 3 log 2 with base 5 minus 1. So it is the value of x, which is our required value. So now we are going to check this value in our problem so we can satisfy our result. So now our problem is that 5 raised to the power x plus 2 which is equal to 40. So we are just going to put this value of x here, then we write it like that. F here x we can use 3 log 2 with base 5 minus 1. Here it is plus 2, so writing here that plus 2, which is equal to 40. So now that we can also write it like 5 3 log 2 with base 5. Here plus 2 minus 1 we get plus 1, which is equal to 40. So 5, we can write it like this exponential law, that if we have a raised to the power m plus n, then we can write it like a raised to the power m times a raised to the power n. So we are going to apply this law here. Then we get 5 raised to the power 3 log 2 with base 5 times 5 raised to the power 1. So it is equal to 40. Now we can see that if we are going to write this step like that, that 3 is going to here power of 2. So we can write it like log 2 with base 5 power 3. That 3 is here is power of 2. Then 5 raised to the power 1 is equal to 40. Therefore 5 log 2 with base 5, 2 we can write 2 raised to the power 3 as it is 8. So it is equal to 8 times 5 raised to the power 1, which is equal to 40. So now that 5 log 8 with base 5, here 5 times 1 equal to 40. So we are going to write this logarithm formula, that is, if we have a log b with base a, then it is equal to b. So it will be that here, let's suppose it is a and it is also a, so it is here equal to b, then we put it is equal to 8 times 5, which is equal to 40. So hence at 5s are 40. 40 is equal to 40, it means left hand side equal to right hand side. So our answer is correct, that the value of x is equal to 3 log 2 with base 5 minus 1. So it is our result. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. Thank you. Take care.